mag-frostbite yung paa mo.
Oh no!
What do we do?
We are going to need a volunteer for our next game.
Gusto nila yung may birthday.
Yung my birthday. What's your name, Miss Birthday?
Gusto niya ba? Carla.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's say happy birthday to Carla. 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday, Carla!
All right. So Carla is the voice of God, and she will be holding this book of answers. Ding Dong and Chester will be acting out a scene, but they will encounter a lot of obstacles. And when they do, they will say,
Oh no!
What do we do?
so Carla will open to a random page and read what it says. For example,
It will sustain you.
yeah, let's give her a round of applause. That was beautiful. Can I have a task that is nearly impossible to do? Hiking Mount Everest. So Ding Dong and Chester will be trying to hike Mount Everest. Let's give them a round of applause.
Oh sir, ready na ako.
Yes. You know, I've been waiting for you all day. Have you brought all your stuff?
In my backpack.
Okay, show me your backpack. Show me your backpack.
Oh, diba? I
It should be
brought
the same as mine, ha?
my tent, my jacket,
Okay.
and my shoes.
Nasaan yung lutuan mo?
Akala ko may kainan dun.
Walang kainan doon. Tayo lang gagawa ng luto.
Oh no!
What do we do?
That would be a waste of money.
Sayang pera eh.
Ah, sige, sige.
Alam mo, let's just hunt and then eat it raw.
Oh, yun, wild.
Oh, malamig dun, di ba? So, frozen yun.
O, tama. O kung ganon, dala mo ba yung mga weapons?
Weapons?
Oo, may kutsilyo ka ba?
Cutter lang yung dala ko.
Cutter! Kaya lang yan mga small animals.
Oh no!
What do we do?
Let it go.
Kaya natin yun.
Pwede, pwede.
Start muna tayo with small animals.
Oo nga. Tapos we go up, okay?
Mountain and food chain.
Okay, okay. Sige, okay. Ipagpack mo na yan.
Asan na yung map?
Sabi mo, ikaw may dala.
Ikaw yung guide.
Oh, no!
What do we do?
Better to wait.
Oo,
Grab mo na lang.
Oh, sige, grab ko na lang. Oh, balay na, habang naghihintay tayo kay Grab, yung snowshoes mo, ha, importante yon. Dala-dala mo ba?
Snowshoes?
Snowshoes, because Everest, maraming yelo doon.
Ito lang shoes ko.
Nako, mag-frostbite yung paa mo.
Oh no!
What do we do?
Don't overdo it.
Okay lang naman yung frostbite eh. Okay lang yun.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Chester, Ding Dong, and our birthday girl, Carla.